Hi, I'm Rico from Dutchpro, and in this video, I'm going to answer the question, how does our A plus B bloom base feed RO soft water works? Our A plus B bloom base feed RO soft water contains all the 17 macro and micro elements and is specifically tailored to growers using water sources that are low in calcium and magnesium. The benefits of using our A plus B bloom base feed RO soft water is that it enhances nutrient transportation, protein production, better regulation of CO2 through the stomata, bigger and better flower production, and overall you will see an increase in smell, flavor, and terpene profile with your plants. So how exactly does our A plus B bloom base feed RO soft water works inside your plant? As previously mentioned, our base feed contains all the 17 macro and micro elements. Those are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, magnesium, calcium, oxygen, hydrogen, and carbon. Now those are the 9 macro elements. The micro elements are boron, manganese, molybdenum, nickel, zinc, iron, copper, and chlorine. Now, providing these elements in the optimal ratio according to Liebig's law of the minimum is key in ensuring that your plants will develop themselves as quickly as possible. So what happens inside your plant is that your cells are better in dividing themselves, they grow bigger through cell elongation, and the better nutrient transportation inside your plant due to higher levels of potassium ensure that all the other nutrients end up in the right places, so more energy can be produced due to a more efficient photosynthesis. Key in photosynthesis is CO2 uptake through the stomata. What is important are the calcium, magnesium, but also the potassium levels. Making sure that all these elements are given in the right amount ensure the best CO2 uptake and regulation through the stomata. Now it's also key that your leaves remain green, because green leaves are actually capable of withdrawing light energy and using those electrons to create energy. Now energy is created through the process from ADP, which is adenosine diphosphate, that is turned into ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Now phosphorus is key in creating these energy molecules, along with magnesium, but also iron and the electrons are key in this process. Now the other elements that are inside these products ensure that your plant's root system can develop themselves to the fullest, and overall your bud size will increase due to an enhanced efficiency of all the other processes. So how exactly do you have to use these A plus B bloom base feed RO soft water, and how much do you have to use of it? Now as you can see, we have 2 different types of bloom base feed RO soft water. Now let's start off with the soil ones. As you can see, the color of the A bottle is yellow. It is because of the yellow iron that we use. The B is transparent and looks like water, so please be careful and please keep it away from your children. As far as application goes, you use the bloom base feed all the way every time you feed during the flowering stage. The dosage ratio is between 8.5 to 12.5 milliliters depending on your preferred ppm levels. If you use additional CO2, those ppm levels can go up, so your dosage ratio will go up as well. Now the soil one is specifically made for soil substrates, as there's always some nutrients in the substrate, so we balance them out for it. The Coco version, which are the blue bottles, have the same color. So the A bottle is yellow because of the yellow iron that we use. The B is transparent and looks like water. So again, please be careful and keep it away from your children. As far as the dosage ratio goes, it's the same. It's 8.5 to 12.5 milliliters. But this one is specifically made and adjusted for hydroponics or Coco settings. Now in a hydroponic or Coco setting, there isn't any nutrients available through your plant other than the nutrients that you feed them. So this ensures that we needed to increase the dosage levels, mainly of calcium and magnesium, to ensure that your plant will get the right nutrients in the right amounts. Just as with the soil nutrients, you use the Coco bloom base feed all the way from the beginning of flower till the end of flower. Now that I explained everything, it's time for you to start growing some killer plants. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for any future videos. My name is Rico from Dutchpro, and I hope I will see you again.